I'm making an apple fritter bake. I am using my trusty cast iron skillet. Now, you do not have to use a cast iron skillet. I'm just using it for the fun of it. All right, got my butter in there, or margarine or oil, whichever you would like to use. My canned cinnamon rolls. Cut it into quarters. Okay, then I'm going to take and pour a little bit more butter. And just because I want it extra cinnamony, a little bit of extra cinnamon, and my apple pie filling. And then I'm gonna cut up my apples just to make them smaller. Cut all of that. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. I know, should I do another can of biscuits or not? I think I will. Yeah. See how much easier that cuts when they're not soft? All right, there we go. That's a little bit better. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Okay, I put some foil on top just so it didn't get too brown. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. I take my frosting packet. Always think of my middle son when I have these. He loves his frosting packets. All right. All right, gotta get this all on. I have 2 frosting packets. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so good. Recipe is in the description below with baking time and ingredient amounts at livingonadime.com. You can get the link in the description.